everybody, I'm Lorie from Dee's, and today we're going to make a really fun flower door hanger. So we have this beautiful yellow burlap large flower. They're really nice. They have a little loop on the back of them so you can hang them up wherever you would like. So I'm just going to hook this right up on my board. And in your kit, you're going to get this pretty little pick that has a little bit of forsythia and these pretty little flowers and the assorted greenery. And this adorable bumblebee is really cute. And of course, your ribbons. So to get started, we're just going to take our pick and we're going to trim it off a little bit just so we don't have all that showing. And then I'm going to put a little glue on my stem. You always want to put a little glue on these paper wrap stems because the paper likes to start unfolding when you once you cut it. So we're going to glue this right to our flower, and I'm just going to tuck this right up in here. And kind of open this up a little bit. Okay, next we're going to make our bow. So we've chosen some fun ribbons that we hope are going to be cute on here. We got our black polka dot, our sunflower, and a little pop of this orange to kind of brighten it up. So we're going to start out with our blacks. And again, you're just going to drop our tail for our streamer. Let that hang down. And then pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. Next, I'm going to add in my sunflower. And now I'm going to put a little short tail going up here. Make our loop, pinch and gather. And our loop, pinch and gather. And then we're going to add in just a little pop of this orange, just a couple little loops of this, and we'll just leave those tails kind of short for that one. And wire this right off. Make sure you pull that wire nice and tight. And then we're going to come up in here and we're just going to wire this right up here around the stem that we've glued. So you can just catch that wire right around there, or you can wire it into this little grapevine that the sunflower is made out of. Get a hold of my wire. Okay, and we're just going to attach this right up here, nice and tight. And then just twist that wire off just like a bread tie. You could put a little glue behind if you wanted. And then we can just trim this little wire right off. Okay, so let's straighten up our ribbon. Straighten up our flower. We're going to go in and trim our tails. So you can keep these as long or as short as you want. I'm going to leave some of those a little longer. And then you can go back and just kind of perk up your ribbon, kind of bring it to life a little bit. Put our little cuts in this, and put our cuts in this. Trim these little tails. You know me, I always like to leave one. So make sure I get all those. And you can perk up your little pick and move your flowers anywhere that you want. And last but not least, we have our cute little bee. So you can place your bee anywhere you want. If you want it to be up here, if you want it to be down towards the center by your bow, anywhere that you want it, it's totally up to you. I think I'm going to maybe just set him kind of over here. And I'm just going to put a little glue on his little legs and hands. Put some little dots on those so we can just set him right on there. And his wings have wires in them so they can kind of bend a little, and you can shape them however you want. And how cute and easy is this flower door hanger? So this is available at shopdeeslouisville.com. Don't wait too long. The kits go fast. Thanks for tuning in.